This is Stickboy. A while back, Stickboy started a small business. Unfortunately, no matter how many hours he worked or cups of coffee he drank, his business wasn't getting the sales or attention it deserved. Stickboy had great ideas for marketing his services, but was sad because he couldn't find anyone to help him bring his ideas to life. The next day, while eating lunch, he ran into a stick friend who told him about Fiverr.com. Stickboy quickly whipped out his smartphone and logged into Fiverr.com. In minutes, he found the perfect animator, a top-rated Fiverr pro seller named Gallywix. After a few easy steps, he purchased his first gig, and a few days later, his amazing video was delivered. Stickboy was so grateful for his experience with Fiverr.com that he now spends all of his free time helping others like you grow your business. So, if you want to be successful tomorrow, then hire Stickboy and Gallywix today.